Welcome to the Best Business Softwares YouTube channel. Today, we will be talking about Deel. Deel is a global payroll and compliance hiring company built for remote teams. That means anyone, anywhere can get hired and paid with Deel. Using a tech-enabled self-serve process, companies can instantly hire full-time employees or independent contractors across the world legally in minutes. Deel's international presence lets any business hire a remote employee or contractor with localized legal contracts in over 150 countries, run global payroll with local payroll experts and local entities, protect teams with local health partners, and manage equipment and equity with secure document tracking. Deel does it all. Today, Deel serves more than 8,000 customers from SMBs to publicly traded companies, helping over 100,000 workers get paid from anywhere. Now, before I talk about Deel in detail, I'm going to let you know who Deel is for. First of all, Deel is for companies with plans to hire globally but don't want to set up in-country business entities. Hiring employees in another country typically requires you to set up a local entity. With Deel, you can recruit workers in the 80 plus countries it has legal entities in. For countries where the provider doesn't have a local entity, Deel has in-country partners that can handle your hiring needs. It is also for employers looking for international contractor payroll tools. Apart from EOR services, Deel offers a contractor package to help you hire, onboard, and pay global contract workers in 150 plus countries. And lastly, for global businesses that want to avoid contractor misclassification protection claims. While Deel has over 200 local partners who can help you navigate in-country labor laws and regulations, its misclassification protection services include a penalty coverage of up to $25,000 if a misclassification case occurs. Now, let's move on to the features of Deel. The two major functionalities of Deel are the global payroll and HR. Some of the features of the global payroll are 1. Fully managed payroll. Regardless of whether you have international employees or contractors, Deel supports payroll processing for both worker types. With local entities in 80 plus countries, its in-house payroll team manages pay processes, salary calculations and deductions, government declarations and payroll taxes, including generating required tax forms and year-end documents for you. Payroll runs are also automated, plus you can pay your global team with just one click. 2. Multiple payment options. With Deel supporting payroll payments in over 200 currencies, your international employees can receive their salaries through their local bank accounts and in their local currency. If you have US employees who prefer to be paid in crypto, Deel's partnership with Coinbase allows you to do just that, and with zero transaction fees. Aside from bank transfers and Coinbase, your workers can get their pay through PayPal, Wise, Payoneer, Binance, and Revolut. 3. Deel Contractor Card. Contractors can opt to get a Deel card for as low as $5, which they can use to receive their payroll in US dollars. The card also works as a debit card, allowing your team members to use their earnings to purchase personal items either online or in store. 4. Client payroll payments. With Deel, you can choose to pay employees directly or have the provider do it for you. If you select the former, Deel will provide a CSV file containing all payment details for the payroll period. You can use the file to process the employee payments and transfer the salaries to your employee's bank account. Note, however, that this process is optimal for businesses with local entities or local HR team in countries where their international employees work. Moving on, some of the features of the Deel HR are: 1. Locally compliant contracts. With Deel, you can create, send, and sign employment contracts that comply with local labor laws. To help protect your business from unnecessary risk, the provider works with in-country legal experts to keep your employment contracts up to date with labor law changes on a quarterly basis. 2. Online onboarding. Deel's online platform is designed to streamline and automate the onboarding process, helping you collect information and required employment documents from your new hires. It also offers 24/7 support in 12 languages in case your employees have questions about the onboarding process or need assistance setting their Deel online profiles. 3. Local benefits. Included in Deel's EOR service is access to local benefits plans and competitive health options that you can offer to your employees. If you want to provide benefits to international contractors, Deel offers a 50% discount for full health insurance coverage via a remote safety wing plan in most countries. 4. HR, compliance, and visa support. In addition to its contractor misclassification risk protection services, which include contract review and liability coverage, Deel has over 200 legal hiring experts around the globe to help keep you compliant with local labor laws and regulations. Deel offers good and affordable prices for their services. For contractors, Deel offers theory packages with monthly fees that start at $49 per work. Meanwhile, its pricing plan for employees are based on whether or not you own business entities in countries you want to expand to. Note that aside from automated payroll with one-click payments, all Deel pricing packages include access to local benefits plan, expense and time-off tracking, tax documents management, customizable contracts, data protection agreements, compliance support, and intellectual property and invention rights protection. Now, some of the advantages of Deel are: 1. You can sign up for free and explore its features at no cost, and you will only be charged when you hire and pay global workers. 2. You will be assigned a dedicated customer success manager when you become a customer. 3. It has a built-in expense and time-off management tool. 4. Multiple payment options such as via bank transfer, crypto, Bitcoin, digital payment processors, and a contractor card. 5. Dedicated support with contractor misclassification services. In conclusion, if you plan to expand business operations outside of your country and ramp up hiring to complete your global workforce, Deel is a good option. Its EOR service removes the burden of handling global hiring, payroll, tax, benefits, and HR processes by yourself. Deel's international payroll services also cover more than 150 countries, with the provider owning local entities in 80+ locations. And even if it lacks a legal entity in a country, its partner of 200+ local experts can guide you through the complexities of finding, recruiting, paying, and managing a global workforce. Sign up for a Deel plan today by clicking the link in the description, and make sure to subscribe for more content like this.